DJI is all set to expand its compact drone lineup with the Neo 2 now circling to take off. Leak suggests up to later model will come with a slightly higher price tag, but that's still friendly for curious flyers. The brand hinted as October 30th as the launch date under the tagline "Everything Under Control." Now leaker Bilbil Kun says that the event was limited to China with a global rollout following on November 13. The short delay gives DJI time to clear certification and stock up for the holiday rush. The Neoto's pricing is surfaced with a small bump. The base 5 Fly Solo bundle, which includes the drone and single battery, will start at $259 in the US, £209 in UK, and €239 in Europe. The Fly More combo with 3 batteries, motion controller, and goggles entry adapter is set to hit $429, while the top tier Motion Fly More combo should start at $600. In return, buyers will get meaningful upgrade, including 2-axis gimbal stabilization, a step up from the single-axis tilt setup on the previous model, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Even with this price tag, it's far cheaper than models like Mini 4 Pro, $759, while promising far better visuals than the original Neo, and is aimed at vloggers and hobbyists who value portability and affordability above everything else.